Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share projects on CapCut PC. So go to menu and select back to homepage. Then you are going to create a space here and you're going to upload your video to the space. So here, for instance, you want to share the project, you can upload your projects here. Or here, right click, select upload, and it's going to be on your space. Then to invite your friends, you're going to select this icon. You're going to copy it and you're going to send it to your friends, and they'll be able to basically join your space and edit the videos on there, like on the app. So you don't need to send files, you just need to send the link. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.